Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the grind continues, but I will say today was a pretty powerful day. The price flexed its muscles here because when things started off, it was not looking so good. There was the gap down, and then even after the gap down, the price dropped and hit that low right there. However, by the time the closing bell rang, the price had been able to battle back up to where it did right there. So it's pretty much right back onto the trajectory that it was at. And on that note, that level of support right there, that green line, which I've talked about in past videos, was violated. Again, that first 30 minutes, price broke down below there. But not only did the price get back up to the green line, it got above it and then just kept on going and going. So from that angle of things, it was a very powerful day, especially in regards to, that level of support. But other than that, really everything's the same exact levels that I've talked about before. So you still have that green line down there, 17.15, level of support, as I just talked about. And then up there, you still have $19 being that overarching area of resistance. Although I will say that it's looking like in the near term here, this level at, 18.50, kind of being a little miniature stubborn level of resistance. That was essentially the high from where it got on Thursday. And then today, you can see a whole bunch of times struggled right around that area. So 18.50 kind of step number one. And then the big resistance up there, step number two, going to be that level at $19. So keep an eye on those couple of areas moving forward. But like I said, in my opinion, the best dynamic was, how nice the price recovered, because things this morning were not looking good. They were looking pretty shaky, but then just like that, things got, themselves turned back around. So now it's just a question of, can the price, take that momentum that was established today and then turn that into some breakouts next week? We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.